swinging with might. U for umbrella in the rain. V for van, driving on lane. W for watch, tick tick sound. X for sandal for music around. Y for yak with will so long. Z for zebra, stripes so strong.